Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the next session of learning 3D modeling with me, Zul Yusuf. Alright, so as for today, we will learn on how to model a head using a polygonal modeling technique. Okay, but before that, what you need to know is you have to understand what are the workflow, what is the workflow on how to model a 3D head. Okay, let's get to it. First, in modeling a 3D head, you will start with creating a basic mesh. Okay, here you will create a basic mesh, whatever shape that you like, that you think are the most appropriate to start with. Okay, as for me, I will start with sphere. Then we will duplicate spatial the mesh that we create. Meaning that we will cut it into half and we will duplicate on the mirroring the x-axis, so that we only model half part of the head and the other half will follow. Okay, and then what you need to do rest is to just edit the shape accordingly until you get the desired shape that you want. When you the desired shape. Okay, so there's no, I mean, it is different between head, I mean, different design, and there's no like, uh, there's no solid instruction on what to do first and that. So you have to know how to create a wireframe on the face, and you will continue doing it until you get a perfect shape, until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, the first one is to create a basic mesh. So in this case, I will create a sphere. Just click here under the polygon tab, sphere. So do I create sphere on my viewport? Make sure the axis is right, meaning that the x-axis will always point towards your left, your right hand, and the y-axis will pointing upward, and z-axis will point towards you. Okay, and what I will do is every time I create a basic mesh, I will reduce the subdivision number or the poly count. Let's say I reduce it into 8 and hit enter. Okay, so I just will turn this on so it will be easier for me to explain it to you. Shading, wireframe shading. Okay, and then I want to cut it into half on the x-axis. So I have, but when modeling head, I would like to have this area to be the part where it's gonna be a ear for the head. So I will rotate it 90 degree on the z-axis. Here you can see z-axis. I just type in 90 and hit enter, and yeah. So this is the first part of the workflow. And then if we go back to the workflow, you can see that the next thing to do is to duplicate spatial. Alright, so if you are watching my video, my previous video, I've taught you on how to do a duplicate spatial on modeling the spaceship. Okay, so it's the same technique, but for the new watcher, you can just follow. Alright, what we need to do first is we have to reset the value over here. So I will go to modify and freeze transformation. Okay, and then it will reset the value. And I would like to delete all the history here. I will go to edit, delete by type, history. What all these tools do is like resetting all the information of the shape, and it's like I just model this shape because it's no value and no history. Okay, and then I will go to front face. Okay, hit 4 to see the wireframe. I select the face and I just delete half part of the sphere. Select and just delete. And then if you go right here, you see there's no the sphere has been cut into half. Okay, so now we will duplicate this sphere into the into the other part on the x axis. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just select this and go to edit, duplicate spatial, and then you select the box just beside the duplicate spatial. Okay, the setting is I will take instance because I want the instant, meaning that when the thing that we will duplicate, I just only edit this side and the other side will follow. Okay, and then because I want it to cross to be duplicate on the x-axis, cross this, so I will hit -1 on this is for x, this is y and z, so I just put negative here and it will duplicate on the negative x-axis. Okay, and hit duplicate spatial and we're done. Okay, and we will continue on the next video on the how to edit the shape using only 3 tools, or maybe more, but the main tool that we'll be using is only these 3, which is a multi-cut tool, or in my case I will use a split polygon tool, insert edge loop tool, and also extrude tool. Okay, and see you on the next video.